Hey, what's up everybody? So, to give some context on this video that is about to play, this is sort of a technique tutorial for one of my lifters. I thought the more forward lean at the beginning would be a better technique for one of my lifters that was having some troubles with stability and stuff like that. So here's the video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment any questions or anything. Just comment, subscribe, like, all that good stuff. So with this technique, the slight lean forward technique, there's two major things that you want to think about. You want tension, like when you set up, you want tension throughout your upper quads as much as possible. You want to utilize your quads as much as possible. So if that means that you're a little bit further out, or if that means like you're in a little bit closer, as long as you can hit depth, that's fine. Whatever feels like more correct for your particular body's like mechanics. So you want to get set up in a way that you feel it throughout your quads. Don't harp on your feet being like parallel with each other. If they're a little bit staggered, like one foot in front of the other a little bit, then that's fine. It's like even the best squatters in the world do that. They'll like have one a little bit staggered and like cocked to the side a little bit more than the other. As long as you can feel it in your quads at the top of the movement, like when you're setting up, like in that lockout position, then you're golden. So you get into your normal squat position, have the bar on your back, and you're just slightly leaning forward, just like this. You see you have your head forward and everything. You don't want to be like this, slightly lean forward. Make sure your quads are all tensioned up, down, up. That's it.